Hi, Dr. Baumholtz broadcasting from Green Family Camp, of all places. And today I want to ask or answer a question. At least I want to take a part of a question. So someone had asked, how do they know whether they should get Botox or a facelift? Now, I don't know that they necessarily meant to ask it that way, but I want to focus. I'm going to take this off for just a second. I want to focus on one particular aspect, and that is when we treat the frontalis muscle, which gives these lines across the forehead, there comes a point in life where as we relax those, it causes the brows to come down. Now, when I say it causes, that's not a side effect. In other words, that's the medicine doing exactly what we're asking it to do. So if we're asking the medicine, meaning Botox or a neurotoxin, to soften these lines, the ones that happen when I move, right? Not the ones that are there after I've stopped moving. That's from years of moving, but the ones that are there when I move, right? Then by definition, I should not be able to lift my brows as well because the muscle is weakening. Okay, there will come a point in my life where as I relax this, the brow sets lower and lower because I can't lift it, because the skin is sagging just like the skin of the rest of my body as I progress through life. At that point, Botox is probably no longer going to be helpful for that person as a standalone treatment. That person may require some form of a surgical brow lift to put the brow back where it needs to be. Unfortunately, many times people will present with a low brow and end up getting some sort of lid procedure for one reason or another, when the truth is, or the evaluation should have been that what they needed was their brow in a better position and not necessarily anything with their lid. You can see if I move my brow back to where it should be, so to speak, all of a sudden my lid doesn't seem so heavy, but if the brow comes down, there seems to be a lot of excess lid. Well, I hope that at least begins to whet your appetite about the difference between surgical solutions and non-surgical solutions in one aspect of the face for one particular issue. If you'd like to know more, please contact us.